Relax and have full service tea with me as a PhD candidate who needs to relax. I'm getting my PhD at UCLA, so right now our city is smothered with fires. Thousands of people have been evacuated, homes have been burned to the ground, pets have been fleeing the flames, and first responders have been sacrificing their lives for the betterment of the citizens of this city. And then there are the folks like us that are kind of stuck in limbo because we live in places that haven't been evacuated but are also in the middle of the chaos. So if you have a moment, please comment down below any resources that might be readily available that can help in this trying time.